Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Mumbai University. First, you have to open the Google Chrome web browser, and in the top section right over here, type down Mumbai University and enter it after you're done. And from the search results, we can see the Mumbai University right over here. This is the official website. Click on that option. And we just landed to the University of Mumbai official homepage. And what we have to do is tap on the students right over here. And we have to scroll a bit down and click on this alumni option. And let's scroll a bit. And we have to click on the member area right over here. Click on that option. And we have to scroll a bit down and we could see the member login option right over here. So what we have to do is enter our email and date of birth. So simply type down your email and your date of birth. And here we could see this small option box right over here that says remember me. So if you want to keep logged into the device, you just log in. You can click on this option so that it will remember you. But if you don't prefer that, click back again in order to default that. And click on this login option right over here, and then you'll be successfully logged into the Mumbai University. But if you have lost your access to your password or forgotten your password, we also have this option that says forgot your password right over here in order to recover your password or reset your password. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.